Hey, I have a new kitchen appliance. What do you think it is? I'm going to show you. I'm going to unbox it and demonstrate it for you. Oh, it's a big one. Ooh. Oh, look. It's a box. In a box. I'm gonna put this down on the floor and lift over that box. All right. There we go. Whoa. Dyna-Living indoor countertop stainless steel griddle. Oh, I'm gonna love this. Are you gonna love this? I'm hungry already. Hey! All right. It is packed really good. Hang on. Oh, the first thing I see. We're gonna get that. Accessories. Little feet for the grill. Rubber feet. Tongs. Beautiful. I'm gonna lift the grill out. All right, there it is. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. 2 brushes for cleaning or whatnot. Power cord attached. How do you like it so far? Beautiful? I like it. There we go. Ah. This thing, all stainless steel. Wonderful. Woo. And this has protection on top. And it's oiled from the factory. But I'm going to wash it before I cook. And I have a good idea what I'm going to make today. This is 22 inches. I'll show you. 22 by 16. So it's going to fit nice on your countertop. Isn't it? Unwrap the power cord. Nice long power cord. It's going to fit nicely right here while I cook. And I'm hungry for a steak sandwich. That's going to be good for steak, right? Hamburgers. I'm going to get so many hamburgers on there. Breakfast. You're going to like pancakes and eggs on there, right? And sausages and all kinds of stuff, right? Yes. Look. Here you can scrape your oil or debris down to this, which holds a lot. That's very handy. Dyna-Living. So the only assembly we have to do is screw these little feet on. Nothing to it. And I guess if your counter's not perfectly level, you can unscrew one to level it, you know. That's great. Tip it up. It's beautiful. 1. So easy. 2. And this controller goes from 122 Fahrenheit, 50 Celsius, all the way up to 300 Celsius, which is 572 degrees Fahrenheit, which is nice and hot for a grill. That's for sure. All right, I'm gonna put it in this home back here on my countertop. And I could even use this on my covered patio outside. Wouldn't that be nice? Got a roof on the deck, you know? I could do that. Look at that. Oh, it's nice. I love it. All right, let me clean it with some soap and water and try it out. You know what I'm gonna make? I know already. I'm gonna make steak sandwiches. I have them ready. All ready. Chip steak, beef shaved steak, 2 pounds. I'm gonna cut up an onion real quick. Quick enough. Rolls and cheese. Let's go. Let's clean this up. Soap, water, and some paper towels maybe, right? All right, here we go. Okay, all washed and dried. Plug it in for the first time. For my chip steak, I don't want to go 572 degrees. I'm going to go in between 382 and 462, right around 400 degrees. Let that warm up a little bit. I feel it already. It has even heating all the way across. This is a large commercial electric countertop griddle, residential as well, as you can tell. Flat top grill, non-stick, high quality stainless steel, high efficiency for electricity, 3,000 watts. High powered heating tube underneath there heats it up quickly and has dense heating coils underneath. Hey man, we can make so much stuff on here. Steak, chicken, breakfast, like I said, I can't wait. It's gonna be so much fun, but I'm gonna love my steak sandwich. So like I said, this is commercial as well, so if you have a little snack bar or something like that, you know, restaurant, if you go to the flea market and you cook hot dogs all day, that's a fun thing. You can make money that way, right? All right, let's see. Oil it up. Got olive oil here. They heat it up pretty quick. Might have had it too high. Well, my first time using it. Hang on. Alright. Let me throw these onions on quick. Because I love them so much. I'm going to put them in a little pile. Oh, that smells so good. Mmm. Seasoned with onions. Oh, yeah. Let me turn it down a little bit. Nice. Throw my steak on there. Oh, chop that baby up. This is the fun. This is the fun. 2 pounds. 2 pounds of meat. I'm a fry cook. Short order or long order? Oh, it smells so good. I like this kind of steak. Chip steak. Sorry I had my mic over there. Sound on. And you can put peppers on here if you like. If you like. Just like in Philly, right? Guess I could add a little more olive oil, right? My first time using this. Lovely. Maybe you don't have to make it this hot. Maybe you know how to cook better than me, but I'm a champion eater, that's for sure. Some of y'all do that. Ah, I could do this all day. This could be my job, you know that? Right? What are you gonna make on this, Kathy?
I'd like to throw some veggies on there.
Yeah, or some of them pieces of chicken like we saw at Chipotle.
Yeah, like chicken thighs.
Yeah, they have a grill like that. They have, yeah, they had about 40 pieces of chicken on their flat top, about this size.
They say it's a French toast.
Oh boy. It's unlimited what we could do here.
Yeah, we could use money like that.
Dyna-Living comes to the rescue. When you get more used to it, you'll know exactly where you want your temperature to be, up and down, as you're cooking. Love them fried onions. I'm gonna mix them with the meat at the end. And remember, if we have anything we don't like, we can scrape it off into that hole there. But so far, I like everything. Like if you have too much grease or whatever. Boy, I'm glad I'm seasoning it good. And this is easy cleanup too. When it cools, we'll get a pad and clean it good. Because it's all stainless steel. Oh, it's beautiful. See, I get the temperature regulated now where I like it. Just a nice simmer. I think I started too high, but I don't mind. It smells delicious. I just wish you could smell it. Hang on, onions. I didn't forget you. It's nice to include this too. Look, they're a little sharp on the edge, see? For chopping. Well, not really sharp, but it's beveled. Chop, 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 chop. Who's coming over? Sorry, it's all gone. It took about 10-15 minutes to come up to complete heat, but it was probably hot enough before I knew it, because I didn't know it. I like my meat a little brown, no pink. Oh, this is just great. Can you imagine like 10 hamburgers here, 10 hot dogs there, more onions? If you want yourself one of these, click the link in the video description. There's an Amazon coupon code there. $10 discount right now. All right, see? See how it quieted down? Now I want to turn it up a little. How's that?
Do you want steak sauce or anything?
That's an idea. Do we have steak sauce? If I don't, sometimes ketchup is okay. Sometimes I put blue cheese dressing on mine. Sometimes I put mushrooms on. Sometimes I put hot peppers on. Make it how you want. Maybe you don't like steak sandwiches at all. And you can make veggies. She likes veggies. Kathy's probably going to have this on her channel to cook for you. Tell me when to mix the onions in. When I'm ready. Nice even heating. See that? Couldn't you watch me cook all day? Almost ready to mix some sauce in. Sometimes I just put the sauce on my roll or on my section of meat, but I might mix it all in here and then put some more on if I want more. Are we ready to merge the onions with the meat? I think so. Look at me! Where's my chef's hat? Oh, there it is. Getting good. So good. Oh. Oh, it smells delicious now. All right, let me separate myself enough for a sandwich here. See? Show you how big my roll is. Got a whole pack of rolls, but they're about medium size. You could even put it on a slice of bread. I do that many times. How's this? Warm up a little bit. Make 2 piles for 2 sandwiches. American cheese today, because that's what I have. I don't mind it at all. Melt. Ah. Put a bun on there for you, all right?
Okay.
I didn't forget, I'm just excited. Oh, look at that cheese. Ooh. All right, so don't forget, get yourself one of these. Click the link in the video description. They're $10 off with that Amazon link down there. You're gonna love cooking with it like me. Look at, it's like a dream. Am I dreaming? Am I still asleep? Oh man. I won't mess with it, but I'll put it a bit more on top. Cause I'm like that. Hope that melts a little more, but it's melting fine on its own. And this might be a sloppy sandwich, but I'm gonna love it anyway. Pardon my elbows. Are we ready? Can't stand it no more. Here we go. I don't care if I make a mess here. I know the meat is bigger than the bun, but that happens. Oh! Let me turn the heat down a little more while I take a bite and talk to you. Okay? There's yours, remember? Woo! It's hot. Oh. Okay, you know how they do this in Philly? They take a bite hand and they bend over like this so they don't get it all over them. And that's what I'm going to do. Take a bite. It's delicious. It sure is. I imagine it would be delicious whatever you put on there. Unless you have too much veggies on there. I'm not a veggie guy. Maybe you know that. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check that link. Get yourself one and have fun this summer. All right. See ya. Missed you. I'm going to eat this. You want one?
Yeah, I will.
All right.